Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Betterment for portfolio management, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with Betterment for portfolio management, first, visit the Betterment website. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the sign-up process. You will need to enter your email address and create a secure password. Once you've filled in your information, click on the Create Account option. Check your email for a verification link sent by Betterment. Click on the link to verify your email address. Next, log into your Betterment account using your newly created credentials. You will be prompted to complete a questionnaire to assess your investment goals and risk tolerance. Take your time to answer these questions, as they will help tailor your portfolio. After completing the questionnaire, review the suggested portfolio allocations that Betterment provides. You can adjust your investment preferences, such as risk level or investment mix, if necessary. Once satisfied with your investment strategy, proceed to link your bank account. Enter the required banking information for funding your Betterment account. Choose the amount you wish to deposit for your initial investment. Review your information and confirm your deposit. After your bank account is linked and your funds are deposited, explore the platform. Take advantage of the various tools and features available, such as goal setting and tax optimization. Set specific financial goals, like retirement, saving for a home, or education, within the app interface. Monitor your portfolio performance regularly through the Betterment dashboard. Consider setting up automatic deposits for consistent investing over time. Review your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your goals. Utilize Betterment's tools to keep your portfolio balanced and diversified. Stay informed about market trends and Betterment updates to make the most of your investment experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.